Hello YouTube. Today I'd like to show you a Macintosh Color Classic that we have for sale here at West Island Electronics. Unit's in very good condition. I gave it a very good cleaning, cleaned in between the keys, opened up the machine, cleaned inside. Machine is in perfect working order. The operating system is currently in French, so a new owner will have to reinstall language of choice. Yeah, it's in very good condition. Not much signs of wear here. Keyboard is English. Unit's a little bit, it's not as bright as it's supposed to be, but still very, very passable. We'll try out the disk drive. Just wait for it to load up. I put a new pram battery inside of it, but for some reason the clock only goes up to 2019. I wasn't able to set the correct year. I don't know why it does that. So let's see if this disk drive works. Yep, this drive works perfectly. So I'll be leaving a link for this on my eBay store, and if anyone's interested in purchasing it, let me know, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.